What's up, guys? Micah Maupin here, your Cincinnati real estate agent, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about doing upgrades around your house. Okay, now there's two things that you really need to determine before you start upgrading and going crazy and doing all these things. The first thing is whether you're going to stay in your home for a long period of time, or if you're going to be selling your house sometime in the near future, 6 months, 1 year, something along those lines. The second thing you got to focus on is, will these upgrades improve the actual resale value of the property, or are these upgrades something specific to my family? Now, I get this a lot when I go into listing appointments, that people have a hard time determining which one is which. So just to be safe, invite me over and I'll tell you. However, if you just want a quick rundown of the video, how all this works, then, for example, if you have plain Jane countertops, or they're all worn out and rusty and like messed up, then go with some type of granite countertop. You want to try to appeal to as many buyers as possible. So by putting that crazy color up on the wall that your daughter just absolutely loves, it's not going to actually help sell the house unless the family who's moving in really loves that color for their daughter as well. So I guess the main point here is, if you are selling your house sometime in the near future, you want to make these upgrades and updates as I want to say neutral as possible. I don't like using the word neutral because it makes it sound boring. You don't want it to be boring, but you don't want it to be neutral either. So have some pops of color inside your furniture that will allow that particular room to kind of pop out. You don't necessarily need to have the entire wall be red in order to make some kind of point. You can have them, what's popular now is gray, the lighter gray, lighter blue, and then have some pops of red and kind of mix it and match it, and if you really need some guidance here, give me a call, let me know. Micah@triorealtors.com. You can go to my Facebook page, just send me some questions that you might have, and I'd love to be able to help you guys out and kind of keep you from making mistakes that I've seen other people make. And if I can help you guys do that, that's the whole point of these videos. So, and then the other thing, the last thing, if you do plan on living in the house for 30-something years, do whatever you want to. Because at that time, if you're planning on living there, this is your forever home, make it how you want it. Because at the end of the day, it's your house. You're not selling it. You're not going and moving to Canada or something. It's your house. Make it as personable, as unique, and as exactly how you want it as possible. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All of those are amazing. You'll see some great content there. And hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.